In this video guide, we will give you recommendations about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that are coming from the site News-halike.cc. Certain people may suddenly see these pop-ups to attack their browsers. Mainly, the pop-ups attack Google Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers. As you can now clearly see, the website News-halike.cc indicates that you need to click on the Allow button, supposedly to confirm that you are not a robot, but in reality, to click on the Allow button may immediately hijack the browser with multiple ads that will be displayed in the right bottom part of your screen. Also, if you click on Allow, you may be forwarded to some other malicious website that may display bad content and may even force your computer to be infected with potentially unwanted software. Also, if the Allow button was mistakenly clicked, you will be getting a lot of ads in the right part of your screen. To remove these ads, access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings. Now scroll down to the Permissions area and choose Notifications. At this point, pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this News-halike.cc, of course, remove this malicious site and other dangerous sites from this list. After you get rid of all these malicious pages, the troubles should be fixed. But my strong recommendation is that you additionally investigate the system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, download it using this green button, install the application and start investigating the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scan. First of all, the program will help you to analyze some browser-related issues, but it also can help you to detect more serious threats like malware, ransomware that currently circulate all over the world. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be properly protected against all kinds of ransomware attacks. So, as I said, at the end of scan, the program will give you the summary of all threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system. So you may remove these threats manually or consider upgrading to the premium license of the program in order to delete all these threats automatically and have your system protected against all further malware attacks.